Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to put a serpentine belt, the accessory belt, on Audi A4 B6 generation. So this is the same procedure for the 1.8 turbo engine from 2001 all the way until 2006. So what you need to do, we took the front clip off, as you can see, but you don't need to do that. We're gonna put a new timing belt later, so that's why we have the clip off. So now the first thing that you need to do, right there, you go on the crank, then you need to go on the AC compressor, then around this pulley right here, and then from there you need to go to the power steering pump, and this is around this pulley and the alternator. And now what you need is a 17mm wrench, and right there you turn clockwise to the right to get it loose, and you put the belt on. And that's the whole procedure for putting the belt on. And if you want to take the belt off, you just go again to the right and you just pull the belt out of there. When the fan and the radiator is there, the space is limited and we won't be able to show you as good. That's why we are showing you now. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.